is up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. Doing a video for you guys. I apologize for the dryer. It's kind of loud. Yeah, let me show you what we're getting into. So I was looking for a crate to do the kayak, obviously, and I went to my local Cabela's and they had this kayak angler kit. And it just said that it basically comes with some like rod poles to like strap up to it like you would a normal one. And I figured I'd just show you guys because it's kind of interesting. It takes the thinking out of the whole thing. But yeah, you can see it comes with a pouch on the side that you can mount. You got your leg or your rod holder, sorry. And then they send you the little toolkit to put it all together. So this should be fairly easy. So I'll get that pulled out of the way. There's a zip tie at the bottom. Okay, so we got the instructions and the two rod holders and then the little pouch. I also, while I was there, picked up one of these Bass Pro brand 2 rod holders to put on the other side because I thought I'd like at least 4 instead of just 2 because I like to keep a lot of rods with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up for you guys, and then I'll get back at you and show you the completed project because I don't know how long it'll take me. This could be super complex, but I'll see you then. Alright guys, I got it all put together. We have our 2 rod holders that came with it on this side, and they just kind of I kind of did some backwards, but they mainly look like this. They just screw and nut on one side, and the bag actually comes with just like regular screws that go in. I don't necessarily like that. I might grind those off a little bit, so I don't really want it like poking around in here. But this front pouch is actually really unique because you could put all sorts of stuff in there. That'd be great for like a scale or some tools you need to grab, some soft plastic, something like that. And then this is the rod holder that I added to the front. So it would either, I'm thinking probably face it like these guys in the back, this in the front. That way I can turn around and still easily grab stuff. If that doesn't work, we'll just keep it faced like that. And then 4 rods. I'm gonna go stick some rods in it and see how it looks, and then I'll get back to you guys. So just 1 second. All right, guys. So there it is. There it is with rods in it. I got my fast action rod, my finesse rod, my all-purpose, and then my super heavy rod, all in here. All fit cozy. None of them are hitting each other. All the way up. Looks good. Over in the front pocket, I got my pliers and stuff in here. This is just like a basic idea. Obviously, I'm gonna put my boxes in there. Probably keep a little backpack full of some basic supplies and stuff, like sunscreen, water, stuff like that. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. All the views and stuff, and comments and likes. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, get all that good stuff going. I can't wait to get this on my kayak and show it to you more whenever we get that point. But go out there and catch some fish, guys.